Hey guys, good evening. It's 11:30 at night, Monday, June 7th. Just going over some recaps here, doing some videos. Want to focus on this right here. This is a pre-market news scanner, 8:01 a.m. RSHN 0061's here. Finished with 2 billion traded. Signs letter of intent. I run these scanners in the morning. This was the highest volume. If I go by time, obviously it changes it, but I run all the scanners for filings, news types. I always read all the filings every day. Um, if you're going to be trading OTCs and penny stocks, you really need to be on top of these filings and see what's going on and everything. Read all these things and see what's going on every day. But this morning, what I was looking at was it was a top gainer. I put this in Slack and off the chart trading in our Slack group this morning right here. 9:21 a.m. RSHN top penny volume will probably scalp out of the gate. Okay, 9:21 a.m. So we put that in chat this morning. What I was looking at all these blocks. Now this block trade scanner I have set up for 1 million. I usually set it for 3 million, but for this video I'm putting it at 1 million. Anyway, early in the morning this thing started taking off. This thing just ripped. So started seeing some blocks come through this in the morning, 9:30 right out of the gate. Had already had 34 million, then 36, 38, 40 million. You could see it started hitting, slowed down for a minute, hit here at 52, hit here again at 53, and started taking off again. So you could see new highs with new block trades, new highs, new block trades. So this thing just kept going and rolling and rolling and rolling. So what I was going to say was, if you're learning how to trade this is a 5-minute chart. Okay, you got 5, 10, 15 minutes on the first push, then 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I'm not interested really in this unless it's going to have a big continuation. When I see this volume die off right here like it did, and then when I see the selling, I'm not real interested in staying in that. But what I am interested in is these first 2 candles, 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes to be out of this thing. So if you're trading this thing, I'm never going to tell you you're going to catch the bottom and the top, because you're not. Maybe once every 6 months or something. So you're opening here at 5 or 51. You get a push all the way to 75. Your other push here was to 79. The overall range was 5 to 8, so you got a 30 tick range. If you can catch just 10 ticks of that on 10 million shares, that's about 10 grand. If you're trading 1 million shares at 5 and you catch 10 ticks, you're looking at $500. It's $100 per million. So that's what you're looking at. And then, you're looking at this thing just take off continuous buys, continuous new highs. So you're looking, this thing's going. And when you see this thing start fizzling out, you got a 63, a 62, you got a 65, a 66. You're still battling up here. You're getting up to the 7s. You're getting up to the 74, 73, 73, 69. You see it fizzling out here a little bit. It does have some pullback here, 69 to 68, 68, and then you get a new high of 70, 71, 72. You get this push here with these blocks, and now you're up to 450 million here. You're watching this thing. You get new high, new high. You got a new high here of 75, and I keep seeing the bids come down on these blocks. These people are selling, so they're selling into this strength. You get another push here, 76, 77, and then we're getting out with these blocks on this push. So you're looking all the way back down here, you're back to 74. So you go 76, 77, 75, 74. So you're looking to get out 68, 71, 7. So these people are starting to dump. So, and you can clearly see that here, but I'm not real interested in getting hung up in this. I'm looking at when the volume starts dying off here on this third 5-minute volume candle. You're down to 75 million. I'm looking at getting out into these pushes. If you get a huge move and then it pulls back, you get another huge move. I'm looking at to get out of here in this second candle or so. So I mean, it's all about scanners. for me, I'm a scalper. This one here, I was thinking about holding it. We traded this thing, I believe Friday. Friday, this thing had a really big move. It was the same thing. We traded this Friday, traded it from like 2 on up to 33. I did real good on it Friday. I traded again today. So those are the type of trades I'm looking at. With all the SEC crackdown, a lot of stuff getting halted. I do a lot of DD and a lot of homework on this stuff, but you just never know what they're going to halt. They probably halted 6 or 7 of mine in the last month. You get hit pretty hard, especially if you're holding 5 or 10 million shares. So, but just heads up. If you want to follow us on Facebook at Off the Chart Trading, or you can hit my website at offtecharttrading.com, or just message me and reach out to me if you want to. If you got any questions or anything. All right, guys, have a good one.